What's up, Kabroda crew? Welcome back to episode 8 of our History of Bitcoin series. I'm your host, Grossmonkey. Last time we survived the crypto winter of 2018, but today we're kicking off with the comeback. This episode's all about Bitcoin's rise back into the spotlight, big money from Wall Street, the digital collectibles called NFTs, and how crypto culture went from a niche to a global headlines. After the 2018 crash, things went quiet. But Bitcoin, it never stopped. Builders kept building, the price slowly climbed, and by 2020, Bitcoin was trading around $8,000 to $10,000. Then came COVID. Markets crashed, governments printed trillions, and Bitcoin suddenly looked like more than just a tech experiment. It looked like an inflation hedge. This is where it got real. MicroStrategy made headlines for buying Bitcoin as a treasury reserve. Tesla bought $1.5 billion in BTC. Hedge funds, pension funds, even banks got in on the action. This wasn't cypherpunks in a Discord anymore. This was the Wall Street money stepping into the ring. In 2021, Bitcoin exploded. 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, all the way up to 69,000 in November 2021. Mainstream adoption was here. Bitcoin was all over the news, Twitter, and even TikTok. And right alongside it, another crypto trend was going viral: NFTs. Okay, so let's break this down. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Basically, it's a unique digital asset stored on a blockchain. It could be art, music, collectibles, avatars, or even digital real estate. And yeah, you've probably seen the Bored Apes, CryptoPunks, or maybe even some wild 8-bit monkeys with laser eyes. Most NFTs live on Ethereum, but Bitcoin got its own twist too, like Ordinal extensions, where data gets embedded directly into the Bitcoin blocks. NFTs help to bring in a new crowd: artists, collectors, brands, and total degens. Love them or hate them, they become part of the crypto world. This era from 2020 to 2022 was more than just hype. Bitcoin became a serious financial asset. NFTs pushed blockchain into pop culture. Crypto started bleeding into music, sports, fashions, and even gaming. Suddenly, everyone was paying attention. So yeah, Bitcoin didn't just come back, it evolved. It stepped into the spotlight alongside NFTs, institutions, and internet culture. But with new attention comes new targets. In episode 9 of History of Bitcoin, we're diving into the dark side, the biggest hacks and heists in crypto history. Billions stolen, protocols broken, and trust tested. Before you bounce, drop a comment. What's your take? Are NFTs a revolution in ownership, or just digital beanie babies? Hit that like, smash subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Grossmonkey out.